Enabling game mode on your Android and iPhone is quick and simple. I'll show you how in just a moment, but first, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out, so thanks a lot. Alright, to get started, open any game app like Temple Run. Once the game loads, you should see a message at the top saying game mode is activated, or it might say, welcome back, along with your Game Center info. If you're unsure whether game mode is on, just swipe down from the top right corner. At the very top, it will say something like Temple Run Game Mode. Tapping on it will confirm that game mode is enabled. By default, it's always on, but you can tap to turn it off anytime. If you need it back on, just toggle it again and all the benefits of game mode will be applied. And that's it. You're ready to keep playing your game without interruptions.